Okay, so you're wondering what it takes to upgrade your house and get the most bang for your buck, especially in this market. Well, I'm going to talk about my 3 favorite upgrades you can do when it comes to selling your house. Number 1 is always curb appeal. I go straight for curb appeal, whether it's adding color, working on your front lawn, or even making your garage a little more modern. Definitely want to work on the curb appeal, because not only is that the first picture that people see when they're browsing on Zillow or Redfin, that's also is the first thing they see when they pull up to the house. Number 2 is adding square footage. I know this can get very expensive, because generally it costs about $150 to $200 a square foot to add space now. Then you got to do permits and all that good stuff. But if you look at the stats right now, most homes are selling for around $400 to $500 a square foot. You're easily going to double your value if you have the money to invest in that. If you did have a choice, you want to invest in something perhaps a little more deliberate, like maybe expand your kitchen or expand your master bedroom or your living room. Just add something to maybe like a small bedroom in the back. So again, square footage. And number 3, just go for cleaning and a little bit of staging if you can. It is hard to underestimate how far and how much more money you will make on your house if you just clean it up a little bit. So that is putting personal items away, putting religious icons away, putting all your, your dishes away, your papers, your mail, and just hiding all that stuff. That could easily add another $10,000 to $20,000 to your house. These are 3 ways you can easily add value to your house, and you can definitely make your money back on this. Thanks.